Welcome to Miss Kelly's Corner. I would appreciate it if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make crocheted baby barefoot sandals in size 0 to 6 months. I won't be teaching how to do the crochet stitches used in this project. If you would like for me to do a tutorial on how to do each one, please leave a comment below and let me know. You will probably need to stop and start this video if you crochet along with me. The supplies you will need are light worsted weight yarn, size F crochet hook, scissors, and a yarn needle. I am using Caron Simply Soft yarn for both the sandal base and the flower. You can use the same color for both, or you can use different colors. Start with a magic circle. Chain 2. In this project, the chain 2 will always count as a stitch, whether it's a double crochet stitch or a half double crochet stitch. Double crochet 2 in the magic circle. Chain 2 again. Now turn your work around. Double crochet 1 in the same stitch. This is the stitch at the bottom of the chain 2. Double crochet across the row. Now there are 4 double crochets in this row, counting the chain 2. Chain 2 to start the next row. Then turn your work around. Double crochet 1 in the same stitch. Now double crochet across the row. Counting the chain 2, there should be 5 double crochets in this row. Chain 2. Then turn your work around again. Now we're going to start this row with a different stitch. Half double crochet in the same stitch. This is the stitch at the bottom of the chain 2. Single crochet 1 in the next 2 stitches. Now half double crochet in the next 2 stitches. There should be 6 stitches in this row. This time you need to chain 1. Single crochet down the left side of the sandal. Single crochet 1 in the magic circle. Then chain 5. Single crochet 1 in the magic circle again. This will form the loop that the baby's toe will go through. Tighten the magic circle by pulling this yarn tail. Here is the tightened magic circle. I like to tie a knot here, but you can tie a knot at the top of the right side if you want. Next, single crochet up the right side. To make the first tie, chain 30. Finish up this tie by first cutting the yarn and tying a knot in the end. Here is the first tie after the end was tied in a knot. You can hide this tail now or wait till you finish the sandal. Attach the yarn to the other corner. We are now going to be making the other tie. I like to tie a knot when I attach my yarn. Here is the top side of the sandal. If you are still a beginner at crocheting, then you need to learn what the top side and the bottom side look like and the differences of them, because we will be adding a flower to the top side later. You can tell the difference between the top and back sides by looking at the stitches along the sides of the sandal. Another thing I like to do is leave a long tail when I attach my yarn to the other side. And that tail I leave about 12 to 15 inches long. I will use it later to attach the flower. Chain 30 again. Now finish off by cutting the yarn and tying a knot in the end of the tie. If you didn't already hide the first tail, hide it now. Now it's time to start making the flower. Start with the magic circle just like before. Chain 2. In the magic circle, do the following stitches: double crochet 2, chain 2, and slip stitch. Be sure to chain 2 each time you make these stitches to start the next petal. Do these stitches 5 times to make 5 petals. I will show you how by making a couple of petals, and then you can make the rest yourself. Here is the chain 2 that you just made. Double crochet 2 in the magic circle. Chain 2 again. To finish this petal, slip stitch in the magic circle. Repeat the same stitches until you have 5 or 6 petals. The stitches are listed in this photo. Chain 2 to start the next petal. Double crochet 2. Chain 2 again. Slip stitch in the magic circle to finish the second petal. I now have 5 petals, and it is now time to tighten the magic circle. Finish off by cutting the yarn, tying a knot, and hiding the tails. This is the front of the flower and the sandal. Here I am getting ready to sew the flower on. First, take the long yarn tail and put it through the yarn needle. On the back of the sandal, thread through some of the stitches until you get halfway down the sandal. When you get about halfway down, work your way over to the center of the sandal. Now, run your yarn through to the top of the sandal like I have done here. Start sewing the flower on by first going up through the center of the flower. Go down between the 2 center stitches of each petal. Then go up through the center and down between each petal. Here is the back of the sandal after the flower was attached. Here is the front of the flower after the flower was attached. If all goes as planned, I am going to be doing 2 more tutorials in this series. One will be for barefoot sandals in size 6 to 18 months and the other for size 24 months. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video of pictures of these barefoot sandals and others that I have made. Some of these barefoot sandals that I have made have flowers with 6 petals. Thanks for watching this video here at Miss Kelly's Corner. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.